Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to learn spreadsheets. So here I would like to show you the way the most function or the most tip that mostly the spreadsheet users use for their work. So you just need to go open the documents. Here I would like to use this. So I would like to show you several tips that you need to know about spreadsheet. So first thing, if you want to create some things or work that relate to into table, you need to go at the border for the table so that you can create a real table on it. So the way how to do that, you just need to block the cells into the specific amount that you want to create the tables, and after that you just need to go click this part to add the border. You just need to go click this to have a full line on all of the cells right there. And after that, to separate the titles with the rest information, you need to change the color. So to do that, you need to block the titles part, and to change the color you need to go right in the left side of the previous function, which is this part, and you can choose the color that you want to add. For example, if you want to have orange, you just need to find out the best orange that you want to have, and after you're done, you just need to go click the cells. Okay, and now I would like to also give you a hint or the tip to collect or to merge the cells. For example, the informations of this are already prepared to you. This is the item that comes in the same days. For example, the cup hot, cup ice, cup holder, and cocktail napkin, it's come in the same days. So you can just simplify by merge this part, so that from those 4 cells it will become 1 cells. So how to do that? You just need to block the cells that you want to merge, and after that you just need to go click this part, the features right before in the left side of the color. You need to click it, and now you already have 1 cells from those 4 cells. Now you can add the date here. For example, like the item comes at 1st November 2023. Okay, so this one has the same date, and to make it like organized, you have to make it like in the center. So how to do that? Just need to go click this, and after that you need to go click this part to explore more, and go click this to make it in the middle part of the cells. So that's the tips that I would like to show to you guys. So hopefully this kind of stuff can help you to work with your job on a Google spreadsheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.